Find the area of each figure below. So we're being asked to find area, and each figure is actually two different figures. So what is the figure A and what is figure B as a shape? So go ahead and pause the video and sketch those shapes into your homework paper, and then we'll continue with this video. Now, area is the square units inside the shape. So remember, perimeter was the outside and the area is the inside. So I'm highlighting what we're looking for in blue in this case. So when we're looking for area and this shape is a parallelogram, what I want you to do is find what is the area formula, what two things is needed for you to multiply to get to area. So go ahead and search in your notes or on Google. So yes, so it should be base times height. So now you need to identify in the picture which one is the base and which one is the height. What I like to do is look at that 90-degree angle. So when you have a base and a height, we always have that 90-degree. So in this case, I see it. So therefore, I'm going to say the base is the 27, which they show using this distance line. So I'm going to say this is the base. So you would use the number 27 for that, and in inches. And then the height is the shortest, basically distance from top to bottom, which makes that 90-degree angle. So in this case will be 17. So that will be the height. So you would substitute and then find the area on your own. Now check your work using a calculator, but do practice your multiplication on your paper. Now once you have your number, make sure you have inches to the power of 2, because we have inches from the first one times inches from the second one. So when you repeat them, that's why we have square units, or the inside. Now go ahead and do similar calculations for letter B, actually similar research. So if you forgot that what the formula for area of a triangle is, you wanna, so area of a triangle, you wanna search it. So what is the formula, and then identify it. Again, look for that 90-degree angle. That's the one that identifies the base and the height, so that you know. And again, when you have a triangle, you have to do one extra step, or copy it from your notes and check your work using a calculator, but do all your work on paper.